Welcome back to Clock Stoppers Racing Loft. Today we are taking down the batting cage and allowing the birds to fly out of the loft and loft fly on their own with no batting cage. So me and Rylan are going to finish taking this batting cage down, and we will get back with you guys once we release the birds. All right, guys, here we go. We are about to release the birds for the first time without the batting cage. Let's see how it goes. Not too bad. There's still some in the loft, but I'm not going to bother them. Let them eventually come out on their own. All right, guys, so there's a good bit of them up in the air. Well, all of them are up in there, should I say. There's two or three. Two or three on the ground. There's a couple over there on top of the loft. All right, guys, so not too bad. We'll see how they trap.